Okay, so my son's spelling homework timer just interrupted my video. That doesn't anger me at all. Oh, goodness. So here's part 2. As long as you're able to tell me who made more and showed me some math to prove it, I will be fine. So, yeah. And I guess I should have taken that pause time to figure out how much Regina's profit was. All right, well, if I were thinking clearly, I'd be at school today. Okay. On the back side, I'm hoping that you figured out that number 13 was a decrease. It went from $75 down to $25, so it's a decrease. You find the difference, 50 over 75, that was the original, so your percent should be 67%. For number 14, you can see that that's an increase. Find the difference, that's 700. The original was 7,500, so those are our two numbers for our fraction. We divide, and that's 9%. Kenzie and her shirt, the price was an increase from $18 to $24.60. And you can see that was the next day. So the percent change, you got to take the difference, $6.60, over the original cost for her. So $18, and that's a 37% increase. For number 16, last year Sandra bought a book for $13.89. This year the same book cost $15.79. What's the percent of change? So that is an increase, just in case you need to identify it. And then $1.90 over $13.89. That's the original cost, so 14%. All right, 17. The regular price of a new washer and dryer is $9.75. The sale price is $8.50. So we find the difference, $125. The original price was $9.75. So divide and you get 13%. Okay, the second to last section, tricky thing here is that you do your calculation, but you got to make sure that you add or subtract your calculation that you come up with. So $6.95 for lunch, 20% tip. So our tip is going to be $1.39. We add those two together to get the $8.34. The BAT is $30, 15% discount. So our discount is going to be $4.50. We subtract, so the BAT is now $25.50. I did lots of practice with these and with the discounts. Hopefully that makes sense. A jet ski, $2,500, 6.5% tax. That's going to be $162.50. So we add those two together. So the jet ski out the door is $2,662.50. Okay. Dinner is $12.95, 15% tip. So $1.94 for tip. Add those together, $14.89 is your total. All right, for interest, remember to use your formula. Remember to put the amount of time in years. So for number 22, there's your formula filled in and your answer. For number 23, your formula filled in. So notice that it's 4 months. So I did 4 over 12. So your interest should be $10.47. And then number 24, there's your formula, $11.48. Okay. For number 25, Mr. Frazier and his new shingles. So here's the math, $3,500 times 17%, so 0.17, times 1 over 12, because this is 1 month, right, out of a year. And so his interest is $49.58, but they're asking what's the balance going to be on his credit card. So he still has to pay for those shingles plus the interest. So I have to add the amount for the shingles plus the interest, and that would be the $3,549, $3,549. $49.58. Okay. So hopefully that clarifies any questions that you have for your test, and do the best you can. We will always do corrections, and your test will look very similar to this. So good luck, do your best. Don't forget your percent review and percent applications books that you can use as little cheat sheets. Good luck, and hopefully I will see you on Friday.